Different Skin Colors and Religions by Stefan Shunevich. On our planet Earth, there are a lot of people, but not all of them are the same. There are two main things that separate people: race and religion. Well, these groups often fight among each other. Many people do not accept people a different race than them in their lives. I am not among these people. I believe that all religions and races should be treated equally. I don't know about you, but I don't like when people offend people just because they are not the same race or religion as you. Can you just imagine how awful that person feels after he or she receives a comment like that? They feel like their whole day fell in the water. What you should really do is, before doing something this horrid, think to yourself, how would you feel if someone did this to you? I'm sure you wouldn't feel nice. Also, some people believe in God and some don't. Just because someone doesn't believe in God doesn't mean you can offend them. I saw many examples of this problem. For example, one summer we were at the beach. There were a lot of kids. They were mostly Christian, but there was a Jew, a girl, which is about 10. When she asked if she could play with other kids, the other kids rejected because she was a Jew and she wore a wrap around her head. I felt sorry for that girl. Things like this should not be done. Sadly, this is just one of many examples of disrespecting people with a different religion or race. For me, it is just terrible to hear people crying because somebody offended them of their race or religion. I just hate people who say bad and offensive things to someone. I strongly believe that people who say that deserve a strong punishment, even maybe jail. My name is Stefan Shunevich. I go to 8th grade International School of Belgrade. Yes, I'm just a kid, but I strongly disobey racism. Maybe. I'm used to all kinds of people because I go to a school which welcomes kids from all over the world. We have Afro-American kids, Jews, Asians, etc. And the most important thing, we all go well together.